Are you what is up? Can't find a way to get your old WhatsApp account back without SIM? Stop crying, I am here to help. In this video, I will show you how to get your old WhatsApp account back without a SIM card. Now let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. Click at the settings. After that, scroll down and find Help. Then click Help Center. Scroll down and find Contact Us. After that, click Start Chat. Here you will be talking with the WhatsApp team that can help you find your old WhatsApp. Now I know that you are getting frustrated because of dealing with Help Center. It's the only way, so trust the process. Text them that you're wanting to get your old WhatsApp account back, but without a SIM. They will text you back with instructions of what you need to do and provide some of the information of your old account. Hopefully this video was helpful. Like the video and see you later.